This is part one of the training video for Paperless Pipeline, the Quick Start. Paperless Pipeline is our replacement for the transaction folders for the office that we used to keep in each location. To use Paperless Pipeline, it's a web-based application. It works for any browser, meaning Internet Explorer, Safari with Apple. It works on the iPad, it works on the Galaxy tablets. Anything that has a web browser, it will work on. You would go to your web browser, type in www.paperlesspipeline.com, and that will take you to the front page of Paperless Pipeline. You'll see that Paperless Pipeline has its own training section. Okay, this goes over all the features of Paperless Pipeline. You're welcome to go through that. Just remember that some of the features that exist in Paperless Pipeline we may not be utilizing as an office. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at the training. You would go to the login screen. The login email is the one that you went over with me when you sat down for your training. And your password. Hit sign in. And you'll be taken to the document dashboard page. Okay, this is the page that summarizes everything that's going on with the items that you have in Paperless Pipeline. If you look, here's the transactions. If you mouse over one of the checklists, it will give you a quick synopsis of what you're missing. You know what notes are with the transaction. So it's a good summary page. All right. This is also where you would upload a document. This would be to create a new transaction. Okay, remember, you can't create transactions. The office administrator creates the transactions based on the document that you upload. So one of the choices for uploading documents is similar to putting a picture into MLS. You would, let me go back, under dashboard again, you would hit upload document. Then you would click select a file, and it takes you right to the Windows file structure and lets you pick from any of the folders that you have, or if like new scans or anything that you have on your desktop. Okay, and you would choose whatever document it was, hit open, and it will bring it right into Paperless Pipeline. This is a good point to bring in for the office administrator to be able to create a transaction for a new listing. They need the copy of the listing page that you would do for the licensee listing page detail from the MLS. That would trigger the making a new transaction. For a sale, they would need you to upload the document for the contract. So if you just upload a CIS for a listing transaction, they don't have enough information to actually make the transaction. You actually need the printout from the MLS of the licensee detail page. And that would create or cause the office administrator to create the transaction. All right. Another way to be able to upload documents is through email. The email upload feature here on the side, if you click on that, you'll see there's a generic email address. Every person has their own email address that will send documents to Paperless Pipeline that aren't assigned to a transaction. These are the ones that will just go into a generic mailbox, and the office administrator will look in that box and make a transaction for you. Okay, that ends part one. Stay tuned for part two.